What can you eat before you go to bed? Couple things that, in my opinion, will improve sleep. One is the right amino acids, things like L-theanine, glycine, and those are ingredients in sleep breakthrough. And the other one is a little bit of carbohydrates, because carbohydrates will increase serotonin in the brain, and serotonin is a precursor, which means it's a building block for melatonin. So a lot of people have reported, they do a teaspoon of honey right before bed. The next one is consistency. And again, when you're consistent with your sleep, your body will again have these timers really dialed in. And what happens if you're not consistent and you stay up past your target bedtime, you're going to get a second wind. Your body's going to start producing cortisol. You're not going to feel like going to bed, and your deep sleep's going to be absolutely destroyed.
This really is like the most nutrient-rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code